going to be high, so we're going to have to slip this one, I think.
Okay.
Murphy's Road traffic, 8389 Lima, final for 36, touch and go. Alright, my flight controls.
Yep, your controls.
Alright.
This will be good practice.
Murphy traffic 592, Mike Tango, left, south 36, Murphy traffic.
And also, something else we're going to try today is a two-notch of flaps landing.
Okay.
Alright, so here, right, we're not using any power at all.
Right.
We're just letting it go. We're making very small corrections. We see our airspeeds bleeding off.
Yep.
I'm going to do a slip here just to be...
Murphy traffic 592, Mike Tango, downwind 36, Murphy traffic.
Good, yeah, that is cool to see how much more speed or altitude you can lose.
Murfreesboro traffic, 87 Mike Tango, turning crosswind for 36 Murfreesboro.
Alright, so now see here, we're not looking at the runway. And to correct that, we go ahead and put in right rudder. And the wind's coming from the left.
So you're going to point to the left a little bit.
Alright, over the numbers, pull the power. We're going to float now.
Murfreesboro traffic, 87 Mike Tango, turning downwind for 36 Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic, 8389 Lima on the go, 36. Alright, there you go, there you go. Alright, so you see how we floated a lot more that time?
Yes.
Alright, so that's kind of the difference between 2 and 3. So 2...
Murfreesboro traffic 592, Mike Tango, left, base to 36, Murfreesboro traffic.
Alright, it's all you, this one.
Alrighty.
Nice.
Murfreesboro traffic, Cessna 89 uniform, about 4 miles south of the field, maneuvering for the 45 for 36 Murfreesboro.
Ease it out a little bit more. Nice.
Oh. And we're looking at the 1,000-foot mark, right? Or the numbers right here.
Well, it looks okay right now, so. Alright, pull some power out. Pull some power out. There you go. Alright, ease it, put it in just a little bit. Alright, that's good. Alright, landing's assured. So pull the power. Alright, my flight controls, I got you.
Controls.
Bro, is that you?
No,
Alright.
that's the wind.
Let's get out of here. Alright, I'm gonna do a lap real quick.
Okay, yeah.
Alright,
It definitely seems like the wind is picking up.
yeah. So look at this, like, just take a look at how this looks.
Uh-huh.
What I think we may do, we're gonna go through a go-around
Okay.
this time, because I know we haven't done that, we definitely need to.
So what all did you correct on that
Simon
landing?
582 Mike
So-
Tango, taking off on 36 Murfreesboro.
Okay, so at the I didn't touch anything until the very end, and
Right.
you noticed that you were a little nose down there, so we would have made a nose wheel landing there.
Yeah,
but
I think I was just a little late to pull back.
That's exactly what it is.
Okay.
That's exactly what it is.
Okay.
Murfreesboro traffic 89 Lima, left crosswind 36.
So you really want to be in that ground effect for like a couple seconds, really?
You absolutely
Okay.
do, yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, as far as the approach and coming in, everything to where
Everything
we were
was
about
solid.
100 feet, yeah, I thought it was fine.
It was solid, dude. Your approach, your airspeeds were great. Really happy with the airspeeds. I think we may just leave it with 2 flaps or with 2, unless you prefer 3. All right, so we're getting bumped around.
Yeah,
Okay, it's 1 Mike Tango is currently
It's also
to the southeast of the field, maneuvering for
0 at 12 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition few at 12,000. Temperature 2.
you always want to
Celsius.
carry
Dew
up
point,
more airspeed
1
on final
Celsius.
if it's gusty
Altimeter
like this.
302.
Gotcha.
1 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude.
Alright, we're high, so I can pull a little power, so we're going to come down. Well, I also want to increase our pitch a little bit to bleed some airspeed off. So now we feel that we are about to sink through this glide slope.
Automated weather observation 163. 8 Zulu. Wind 0 2 0.
Alright, so this is what I mean by leveling off and ground effect. So, Surface road traffic 89 Lima going around 36. Alright, so this right here.
Birds.
Yep. Good God. Alright, this is what I mean by leveling out and ground effect, right? So you get down like, you know, like this.
Sure.
And then it's going to sink, right? Alright, so
Marshall traffic, Cessna 89 uniform, turning base from runway 36.
alright, your flight controls.
Alright, my controls.
Okay, so
Murfreesboro
nice
traffic.
round out, dude.
2839
Nice.
November is south of Nashville, trying to get around some weather. How's the weather out there, Murfreesboro?
It's a little gusty, but it's not bad.
Say again.
A little gusty, but not too bad.
Roger that. Thank you.
Roger that.
Alright, so take a hair of power out here.
Yep.
And what is the active runway at Murfreesboro right now?
36.
Roger that.
Murfreesboro traffic down at 581 Mike Tango is joining a
Nice job, dude. Nice job.
Yeah.
Murfreesboro traffic down 596 Mike Tango is taxiing to the run up Murfreesboro.
Alright, take some power out here. Just ease it out. Nice job, dude. I'm on your rudder for you.
Okay.
Nice job.
Murfreesboro traffic, 581 Mike Tango is left base
Alright.
36 Murfreesboro.
Full power. Alright, now level out. Level out. You want to nose down it. It's all good. Pitch back, pitch back. There you go. Right here. Now hold this right here. Nice job, dude. Alright. Good job, dude. Good job. Alright. Now add your second notch of flaps.
Murfreesboro traffic, Cessna 89 uniform, turning crosswind.
Alright, we're a little high. Ease it just a little. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, I'll be on your rudders here as well, so you just...
Okay.
I'm going to line us up, and it's on you side to side, okay?
Sure.
Murfreesboro traffic, Cessna 89 uniform, turning downwind.
Alright, pull some power out here. Okay, now we feel that we're about to sink through it, right? So
yeah,
just
I'm
a
kinda
little
ready
bit
to
back
go
in.
back in. Yep.
Alright, right there, no more.
Okay.
And now now we can see that we're coming back up again, so let's
Right,
now
yeah.
ease it out. It's a constant thing. Alright, ease it out, ease it out, ease it out. Nice, that's
Yeah.
good, that's good.
There we go. Now we're just kind of floating. Got good airspeed.
You're good. Alright,
May need to take this one.
okay. You want me to take it? You got it, you got this, man.
Yeah, I think
All right,
I got
full
it.
power.
I got it.
Level out. Alright, level out, level out. No nose down here, level out. Hold this.
Fuck
Good
yeah,
fucking
dude.
job, man.
Fuck yeah.
Good fucking job.
Murfreesboro traffic,
Definitely
Cessna
feel
89
that
uniform,
sink right
turning
at the end.
base for runway
Alright.
36.
I'm gonna bring us down a little bit, and now we see we're about to sink, so I'll ease it back in. Oh yeah, be the master of the airplane.
Well, like you said, you kind of just have to watch what it's doing and react.
Holy shit, bro. We're getting some downdrafts here.
I mean, if we just need to do a full stop, we can do a full stop.
We'll do one more.
Okay.
It's good to fly in this kind of condition. All right, so fly it right into the numbers.
All right, flying into the numbers. Oh.
You're good. All right. And then level out. Oh, too far, too far. All good.
Okay.
All right, level out. We're gonna go around.
All right.
Road traffic 89 Lima going around 36.
Crazy, it didn't feel like I pulled that far back.
Right, but see the whole thing.
Traffic, this is Diamond 582 Mike Tango. We are 10 miles, wait no, it is 9 miles from the south, maneuvering for the 45.
Yeah, man, the fact that we just did that is considered wise because, dude, we're getting tossed. We do need to make this one a full stop. This one's a little wonky.
Yeah, that's fine, man.
But like, it's good to put yourself in these situations.
Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's coming us out of the 3.5 mile 45 for left downwind 36 Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic 89 Lima is left base 36 full stop Murfreesboro.
89 Lima, you guys doing pattern work?
Yes sir, where you at?
I was just curious on how the winds actually work.
It's right down the pipe, a little gusty, but you should be fine.
Sounds good.
Murfreesboro traffic, 9582, Mike Tango, 5 to the southwest,
Pretty
bound
sure
for
we just
45,
drifted this
436.
Yeah, we did.
Looking for that other 45 traffic, Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic, 583 Mike Tango, 6 to the south, inbound RNAV 36, Murfreesboro.
Bro, this
And
is
Murfreesboro
crazy.
traffic, 485
Oh,
Romeo Whiskey's on a 1 mile 45
You okay?
for left downwind 36
This is
Murfreesboro.
crazy, dude. Let the window blow it like that.
Murfreesboro
That's
traffic, any other airplanes on the 45? Murfreesboro?
Yeah, this one's definitely going to be you.
Okay.
Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's join the left downwind runway 36 Murfreesboro.
No, we'll see it.
Bro, this sight picture is so weird. All right, I got your flaps.
All right.
You feeling okay?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I see a couple raindrops hitting the window. Yeah.
That's cool. We're legal to fly in rain.
Yeah. No, I just.
Murfreesboro traffic, Cessna 142-839 November. We're getting pushed around here pretty good up here. Is anyone in the pattern?
Yeah.
Romeo Whiskey's left downwind, we have full stop.
Murfreesboro traffic, 83 Mike Tango is currently 3.5 to the south, inbound on the RNAV 36 straight in. I think you should be fine to get in before us.
And Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey turn left base runway 36 full stop Murfreesboro.
All right, bring it back over.
Okay, Murfreesboro traffic, November 2839 November is the Cessna 140 is going to follow the plane in on base to get this plane down before the rain hits. Murfreesboro traffic.
And Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey is our nav traffic in front.
Right back
We're
over.
going to
There
extend
you
this
go.
downwind for 36 Murfreesboro.
Sounds good.
Bring it back over. All right.
All right, this one's all you, dude.
All right.
Murfreesboro traffic, 39 November is on base. Looking for the traffic for 36 Murfreesboro.
And Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's turning left base for runway 36 Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro.
Tango's on a 2-mile final, runway 36, Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic 89 Lima going around 36.
What's up, Cessna 140 at?
I'm in between you two guys. Can I cut in here? I'm having a hell of a time with the winds.
Yeah, we'll get you.
All right. We get a challenge today. Are you feeling okay, man?
Yeah, so far so good.
All right.
3 mile final for runway 36, number 3, Murfreesboro, full stop.
Romeo Whiskey, we're just doing a brief 360. We're going to let you in ahead of us, okay?
Gotcha. Thank you, guys.
Got you in sight, Mike Tango, thank you. And Murfreesboro, Traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey is a 1.5 mile final runway 36, full stop, Murfreesboro.
89 Lima is going to extend out for Romeo Whiskey.
Runway 36.
This is turning interesting quick, isn't it, boys?
Yeah, it picked up quick.
I'm thinking no flaps today, how about it?
I would agree.
Looks like he made it down.
89 Lima, we're going to extend out for 583 Mike Tango.
Appreciate it.
Good time to show you a no-flap landing.
Murfreesboro traffic, 39 November is trying to get off this runway as quick as possible for y'all. It's hairy down here.
And Murfreesboro Traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's going around 36, Murfreesboro.
Holy shit.
582 Mike Tango is joining the left downwind for 36, full stop on this one.
Murfreesboro traffic 89 Lima, left base 36.
0 traffic 83 Mike Tango's on a 2 mile final, runway 36.
Murfreesboro traffic, 39 November is clear of runway 36, Murfreesboro. Thank you all.
39 November, was there any shear down there or no?
We were having to keep powering it. It was tough getting it on the runway with this light plane.
There's the storm over there.
Murfreesboro traffic 89 Lima is final number 236.
And Murfreesboro Traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's turning left crosswind, runway 36, Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic, 582 Mike Tango is extending the downwind for that final traffic.
Thank you, sir.
And you said we're doing no flaps?
We're going to try.
Okay.
And Murfreesboro Traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's left downwind, runway 36, Murfreesboro.
How are you feeling?
Oh, good.
Okay. Not good?
No, good.
Okay.
Murfreesboro traffic, 582 Mike Tango is on a 3 mile left base for 36, Murfreesboro.
Hey, Mike Tango just landed. How is it down there?
A3 is clear the active. Keep some power in and use as much runway as you need.
Roger.
It is much better below the trees, so if you can get into ground effect and roll it out, you'll be fine, and kind of glide it out.
Murfreesboro traffic, 582 Mike Tango is on a 2 mile final for 36, full stop, Murfreesboro.
And Murfreesboro Traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's turning a 2 mile left base for runway 36, full stop, Murfreesboro.
Good, nice. Nice job, man.
Oh my God.
That was the realest landing I've done in quite some time.
Second. I can't make the first one, sorry.
You're fine. 85 Romeo Whiskey, turn a 3 mile final for runway 36. We're going to pull back for the Mike Tango on final.
Bro, we're fucking about to come up off the runway right now. Oh my god.
Wild, man.
That was the realest land. Oh my god.
Well, we got a good video.
Traffic to my 582, Mike Tango, 1 mile final, 36, full stop, Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic 89 limit is clearly active.
Good job, 89.
Yeah, so I see what you were saying with below the trees.
Yeah.
Kind of glided in. It's like we just kind of floated for a long, long time.
Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey coming inside the 2 mile final, 36, full stop.
Look outside, make sure that tire's good.
Yeah, your wheel looks good.
Nice job. We did some learning today, bull.
Yeah,
oh my word.
Yeah, we did. That is for sure. It's crazy how quick that picked up as well.
I know, it's going to go right back away, too.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice job, dude.
Thank you.
And Murfreesboro traffic 85 Romeo Whiskey's 1 mile final, 36, full stop, Murfreesboro.
We'll get off here or at Alpha 3 for you, and be careful, a lot of wind shear.
Thank you, sir. We're coming in, no flaps.
Murfreesboro traffic on 582, Mike Tango is clear of the active, 36 Murfreesboro.
Nice.
Nice job, Romeo Whiskers.
Thank you, sir.
And that's a tail dragger. That's cool.
Oh, wow. I've never seen that.
9 November.
Oh, dude. We're going to go in here and people are going to be like having a party about this.